Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, it looks like it is a Cam Shield Armor Pro case for iPhone. This is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Comes in this plastic bag. Here's my current case. Pretty big. Let's go around. Cam Shield Armor Pro case. Shock resistance. Fall proof ring bracket. Adopt dual materials, TPU and PC. Camera lens protection. Alright. Let's open it here. Looks like. Okay. Let's slide it out. So this part is separate. So you don't have to have it on there. It just slides in. Like so. Leave it on or off, whatever you prefer. Here it is compared to my current case. So it's a little thicker on these, or a little taller here. And then on the sides, about the same. Actually, this one's a little wider as well. As this here. You still use your MagSafe here. And you can hold this, use this ring to hold your phone. Like so. Just stand it up and all. Let's see if it fits my phone right now. I do have a so does this come on? Does not come apart of my current phone case does. I have this protector here. I'm not sure if it fit through. Might have to remove that. Yes, so it won't fit with the protector. Or maybe. No, it's not fitting, so I have to remove that. But yeah, that is the case. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support your channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.